It's Barbara Greenlee. Welcome to Green Moon Stamp Studio. I'm just doing a quick video today on how to tie the perfect bow. My customers have been asking me for a long time to put this video out there for them to help them. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to make bows, and I'm going to make 3 bows in a row, so you won't have to pause and rewind and watch again to see it. And then at the end, I'm going to show you how I made my little tool. This is the tool that we're using, and so we need a 12-inch strip of ribbon. You're going to, this is going to be the tail, you're going to hold that with your thumb, then you're going to wrap it around. Now you're going to hold both of those with your thumb. You're going to put that through the middle, and don't pull this tight because we're going to put the ribbon down through it. So come up through the bottom. This is the little tricky part. So you go through the top and out to the right. Okay? You're going to grab that and invert it like that. Now this part you were holding with your thumb, that's your other tail. Pull that up and hold it with your thumb against the card. And now we're going to tighten it. So just tighten it like this. Use your thumb. The tighter it is, the nicer the bow looks. Then you flip it and slide it off of the card, and then you have a bow. So let's do it again. Our 12-inch ribbon. Hold that with your thumb, wrap around, hold both pieces, go through the middle, up through the bottom, then through the top and out to the right. Grab that, invert it up there, grab the other side, and cinch it all up, and then slide it off. Okay, here's another one. Here's a green ribbon. We're going to go around. This one's a little thicker, so a little harder to get in there. Through the top and out to the right. Grab, invert, and then slide it off the top. So there you go. Then you can finish your card with it. There's a glue dot under the knot. If you need a wider ribbon, you can use a tool that's just wider. So this one is 3 inches wide, this one is 2 1/4. And the way I made this was I just used the cardboard that comes with the Stampin' Dimensionals. You can get 3 of these little panels out of there. It's 2 1/4 inch wide. So, and then you have to punch yourself a place for your ribbon. So you can use this classic label punch. Just punch it up the center, not all the way, you know, enough to give yourself some room. I drew a line there so that I would know where the center was. And then, you know, grab another piece and trace it, and then punch a second one. Then you can use some tear and tape and tape those together so it makes it more sturdy. And I usually write up at the top, you know, 12 inches so that I remember that's how much ribbon I need for this size of a tool. So there you go. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll make more, and also give me a like. Thanks.